After I had my stroke, a number of things in my life changed. The first thing that I did, I eat healthier. I'm careful about how I prepare my food. It's very important that your diet change. I'm gonna make a big salad today.
Well, you eat salads anyway. That's all you eat, salads.
You have to change your diet. I eat a lot of things that I don't like now. But I never use salt. I haven't used salt in 30 years. I learned how to prepare my food without salt, with different herbs and spices. Also, I don't eat a lot of carbohydrates. Spaghetti and pastas and breads. I don't eat a lot of those things because it turns to sugar. I've never seen it with cranberries and...
So you come in and in 5 minutes, have a healthy little snack.
You'll find that when you change your diet and substitute things for other things you had, you grow to like it. And that's what I did, and I like it.
Choosing healthy foods can help control blood pressure, body weight, and those things can help reduce a person's risk of having another stroke.